Did you know, after 60, your body can lose up to 8% of muscle mass every decade, even if you eat well? And here's the shocking part. Most seniors still rely only on eggs for their protein, not realizing there's a simple, natural food that actually has more protein than eggs. Stay tuned, because this one food could be the secret to rebuilding strength, reversing muscle loss, and staying active for years to come. Let's be honest. Aging changes everything. You might notice that tasks you once did easily, like climbing stairs, lifting groceries, or even standing up from a chair, now feel harder. That's not just getting older. That's something called sarcopenia. The gradual loss of muscle that starts quietly after 40 and speeds up after 60. And here's the thing most people don't realize. It's not just about exercise. It's about what you feed your muscles. Many seniors eat less protein than their body truly needs. Some think 1 or 2 eggs a day is enough. But sadly, that's not enough to stop or reverse muscle decline. The result? Weak legs and balance issues, constant fatigue, higher risk of falls and fractures, and even slower recovery from illness. But the good news is, science has found that a simple plant-based superfood can outperform eggs in protein density, while also being easier to digest, and it can truly help rebuild muscle naturally. In this video, you'll discover the food that has more protein than eggs, and why it's perfect for seniors, how to add it to your meals easily, plus 3 more natural ways to boost muscle strength and energy after 60, all backed by science, not hype. So stay with me till the end, because tip 4 is the real game changer most doctors never mention. 1. The food that beats eggs in protein: lentils. Yes, you heard that right. Lentils. 1 boiled egg gives you about 6 grams of protein, but 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you a whopping 18 grams of protein. That's 3 times more, and without the cholesterol or fat found in eggs. Lentils are a powerhouse for seniors because they're easy to digest, rich in iron and folate, great for your blood and brain, loaded with fiber, which helps balance sugar levels and supports heart health. But here's the best part. Lentils also contain amino acids, the building blocks your muscles need to repair and grow. And when paired with rice or whole grains, lentils give you complete protein, meaning your body gets all 9 essential amino acids, just like meat or eggs. Simple tip. Try making lentil soup with turmeric and a drizzle of olive oil. This combo helps fight inflammation and keeps your joints flexible. But don't go anywhere, because the next food on our list actually helps your body absorb that protein even better. 2. Add Greek yogurt for double muscle power. If you can handle dairy, Greek yogurt is a senior-friendly protein booster. Just 1 cup gives about 10 grams of high-quality protein, and it's packed with calcium and probiotics for your bones and digestion. Why is this important? As you age, your stomach produces less acid, making it harder to digest and absorb protein from food. Greek yogurt helps restore gut balance, so your body actually uses the protein you eat. Pro tip: mix Greek yogurt with a spoon of cooked lentils, cucumber, and olive oil. It's a refreshing, high-protein salad that supports muscle recovery. But wait, even if you eat enough protein, your muscles won't grow unless you activate them. And that's where our next point comes in. 3. Use muscle triggers. Gentle resistance movements. Protein gives your body the raw materials, but movement is what tells your muscles to rebuild. Even light resistance exercises, like lifting small water bottles, doing wall push-ups, or simple chair squats, can trigger muscle growth. Studies show that seniors who combine plant-based protein pull light resistance training gain 30% more muscle strength than those who only eat protein alone. So here's your simple formula. Eat protein plus. Move your muscles. Rebuild strength naturally. Start with 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week. You'll not only see better muscle tone, but also sharper balance, more confidence, and less fatigue. And remember, The next tip will help your body use that protein even more effectively. Number 4. Don't ignore vitamin D, the protein activator. You can eat all the lentils and yogurt you want, but without enough vitamin D, your body can't use that protein to build muscle. After 60, many people have vitamin D deficiency, especially if you spend little time outdoors. That leads to weak bones, low immunity, and slower muscle recovery. Just 15-20 minutes of morning sunlight can make a big difference. Or add vitamin D-rich foods like salmon, fortified milk, mushrooms, or a safe doctor-approved supplement. Vitamin D acts like a switch that turns on protein synthesis, the process that helps your body repair and strengthen muscle tissue. So, think of vitamin D as your muscle ignition key. But if you want that engine to run smoothly, our final tip is the fuel that keeps it going. 5. Stay hydrated to keep muscles active. This may sound simple, but it's often ignored. Even mild dehydration can cause muscle cramps, stiffness, and fatigue, making you feel older and weaker than you really are. Muscles are made up of around 75% water. Without enough hydration, protein metabolism slows down, meaning your body can't properly use all that nutritious food you're eating. Tip: start your morning with a glass of warm water with a pinch of lemon or pink salt. It helps improve muscle contraction and keeps your body's electrolytes balanced. And if you drink tea or coffee, make sure to add 1 extra glass of water for each cup you have. Let's quickly go over what we learned today. 1. Lentils. The plant-based powerhouse with more protein than eggs. 2. Greek yogurt. Improves digestion and doubles your protein absorption. 3. Resistance exercise. Even 10 minutes a day signals your body to rebuild muscle. 4. Vitamin D, the key that unlocks your protein's full power. 5. Hydration. Keeps muscles flexible, active, and strong. By combining these 5 simple habits, you can naturally reverse muscle loss, rebuild strength, and enjoy more independence in your golden years. Remember, growing older is not losing strength. It's about fueling your body the right way. Even small changes in your diet and lifestyle can lead to big transformations in how you move, feel, and live. Your best years aren't behind you. They are still waiting for you to feel strong again. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really supports our work. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's health secret for seniors. And tell me in the comments below, which of these tips will you try first? I'd love to hear your thoughts and help you along your wellness journey. Until next time, stay strong, stay healthy, and keep shining, because your health is your greatest wealth.